As you can see, we are finally on the final stage. Let's add the textures on the material: albedo, normal map, roughness. Also there is metalness. I've exported ambient occlusion. I've also created subsurface scattering mask, as I showed you before, for the volumetric scattering. We're gonna use it on mask map. I will put it here. As I told you before, the white part is for organic material. Here is our final material. We edit every texture that we exported. And also want to say that I added a few texture details. You can see it. I added more damaged parts. Also added a noise on the fabric. The same thing goes for eyes. I added veins and also changed a little bit emissive texture. Here you can find it how it works. I will change the lighting type to ray tracing. It changed a lot of things, as you can see. I have also will change the skylight. I will select this one. It really works well with this creature. Now let's change the background mode to blur sky. Tweak a little, like this. And we need also to add another light. Let's put it the brightness to 0.4. And I think that I'm gonna add light from here. You just need to press new light. I think it will work. Let's change a little settings of this light. Maybe we need to move the light a little. Also change the rotation. Let's start again. I like that we can see the light sphere in the eyes, but of course we need to make it a little brighter. 6, 3. Also, we're gonna create another camera. Let's call it render. And let's change field of view to 50 millimeters. Also, I'm gonna turn off this, and let's see. Now let's go to curves and change the values a little bit, something like this. Add the sharpness. And also let's change the color of subsurface, something to more orange. Cool. And also let's decrease it a little bit. As you can see, I forgot to flip the textures. Now it looks correct. Let's add a little bit noise. I like the background contrast. Cool. And what about adding depth of field to the camera? Also, let's see if we can increase it a little bit, maybe 3. I think it works really good. And what else we can do? Maybe we can add a little bit chromatic aberration, just a little. I don't like this fog. Let's make it less visible. Something like this. And maybe we are done. Okay, let's see. I don't like this light. I think this one looks better. Let's render it. I will put the samples on 1K and turn the denoise off. Cool guys, let's render it. And here we got the results. Hope that you liked this tutorial about creating alien character in Mudbox, and you have also seen that you can create a really good portfolio piece in just one day. Alright guys, take a deep breath and stay tuned for more tutorials.